Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mizan. So welcome. Welcome to this channel, and I'm Zidan, and there are three of us: Fahim, Zain, and Zidan. That's me. You know. Yeah. So we're gonna put like trick shot videos and gaming videos and all. So this is a small video that if you guys don't have Fortnite, PUBG, and other games, you can go to a site called play games, or not like for PUBG and all. You can play shooting games and uh, grand actions and gangster squads and and all things. So I'm not gonna play anything in this because I don't like that much. So see you guys in the next video. So bye for now. Peace out.